to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: NASA and SpaceX launches 4 more astronauts into orbit on flight to space station. Freshworks unveils CRM program for startups. Rivian valued over $100 billion after the world's biggest IPO. Now the news in detail are: NASA and SpaceX has aired 4 astronauts into orbit with 2 younger crewmates chosen for future lunar mission and a German material scientist. Within 10 minutes of lift of the rocket's upper stage had showcased the crew capsule into the orbit. Freshworks has declared the launching of a CRM program, FreshTag, for startups as the continuation of their 2019 startup program. This will fast forward the process of data visibility across marketing, sales, and customer support, better drive insight and service for customers. Rivian has secured a position as the most valued US automaker after Tesla with $100 billion valuation in the world's biggest IPO this year. Now it is planning to dive into the SUV and delivery van market. Electric Pay has earned $3 million in a seed funding round from Bloom Ventures and Micelio Fund. This capital will benefit them by developing its deep tech platform and enabling the access of affordable charging points via the Electric Pay app. Capital A has shared an investment in Bangalore-based B2B logistics tech startup Rodu with amount of approximately $25 million. Now this will focus on optimizing visibility, real-time control, and efficient supply chain. Coutloot is focusing on $100 million GMG by this year. The company has already backed 5.5 plus lakhs with 30 million plus liftings. The platform has also raised $8 million in a series round by many existing investors, including venture capital. Exotel has gripped a chatbot developer Congo AI with a cash and stock deal as per the pre-discussed agreement for a full stack customer engagement platform. With the undisclosed amount, the company is setting up to earn $200 million by the next 3 years. CapGrid has raised 4.1 crores seed funding from Anicut Angel Fund, Axilla Ventures, and FirstCheck. This startup is working with 30,000 plus suppliers across 15 countries and is now looking forward to new funds for product innovation, scale operation, and expanding the team. A Silicon-based startup, Cradlewise, has named $7 million in a seed funding round held by Footwork. This money will be used for accelerating the company's innovation and growing up its team in India. Home and sleep solutions company Wakefit has gained $28 million in a Series C funding round from US-based SIG. Now the company is looking forward to manufacture home interiors and other furniture categories. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.